Trigonometric ratio of some specific angles. Trigonometric ratio of 45 degree. In triangle ABC, right angle at B, if one angle is 45 degree, then the other angle is also 45 degree. Means if angle A is equal to angle C is equal to 45 degree. In this given figure ABC, this triangle is right angle at the point B. And angle A is equal to 45 degree and angle C is equal to 45 degree. Therefore, the side AB is equal to BC. Now let's side AB is equal to BC is equal to A. Therefore, using Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now putting the value of AB and BC, AC square is equal to A square plus A square, that is equal to 2A square. Therefore, AC square is equal to 2A square. Therefore, AC is equal to square root of 2A square. Therefore, AC is square root 2A. So the length of AC is root 2A. Now using the trigonometric ratio, sin A is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, therefore the BC upon AC, and angle A is 45 degrees, so sin 45 degrees is equal to A upon root 2A. A is cancelled out. So we have sin 45 degrees equal to 1 upon root 2. Now similarly use the definition of the cos function. So the cos A is equal to base upon hypotenuse. Here base is AB and hypotenuse is AC. And AB is A, therefore cos 45 degrees is equal to A upon root 2A. Here A is cancelled out, so we have the cos 45 degrees equal to 1 upon root 2. So this is the value of cos 45 degree, and tan A is equal to BC upon AB. Now putting the value of BC and AB and angle A, therefore tan 45 degrees is equal to A upon A. A is cancelled out, so we have tan 45 degrees equal to 1. Cot 45 degrees equal to 1 upon tan 45 degree. Therefore the cot 45 degrees equal to 1 upon 1. So cot 45 degrees equal to 1. And sec 45 degrees equal to 1 upon cos 45 degree. Therefore sec 45 degrees equal to 1 upon root 2, that is equal to sec 45 degrees equal to root 2, and cosec 45 degrees equal to 1 upon sin 45 degree. Therefore the cosec 45 degrees equal to root 2. So this is the value of cosec 45 degree. So we have sin 45 degree is equal to 1 upon root 2, cos 45 degree is equal to 1 upon root 2, tan 45 degree is equal to 1, and the cosec 45 degree is equal to root 2, sec 45 degree is equal to also root 2, and cot 45 degree is equal to 1. So these are the value of 45 degree of trigonometric ratio. Trigonometric ratio of 30 degree and 60 degree. Let us now calculate the trigonometric ratio of 30 degree and 60 degree. Consider an equilateral triangle ABC. Since each angle in our equilateral triangle is 60 degree, therefore angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to 60 degree. Draw the perpendicular AD from A to the side BC. We have a perpendicular from A to BC is AD. This AD divides the two triangles ABD and ADC. These two triangles are congruent because angle ADB is equal to angle ADC is equal to 90 degree and side AB is equal to AC and angle ABD is equal to ACD. Therefore, these two triangles ABD and ADC are congruent. Let AB is equal to BC is equal to CA is equal to 2A. Therefore, BD is equal to half of BC, that is A. In triangle ABD, the angle ADB is 90 degree. So using the Pythagoras theorem in this triangle, AB square is equal to BD square plus AD square. Now putting the value of AB and BD, we have AD square is equal to AB square minus BD square. Therefore, this is equal to 2A whole square minus A square, which is equal to 4A square minus A square, that is equal to, so in right angle triangle ABD, sin B is equal to AD upon AB. Therefore, putting the value of angle B and ADAB, so sin 60 degree is equal to root 3A upon 2A. Here A is cancelled out. So we have sin 60 degree is equal to root 3 by 2. Therefore, sin 60 degree is equal to root 3 by 2. Similarly, we have to find cos 60 degree and cos B is equal to base upon hypotenuse, that is equal to BD upon AB. Therefore, cos B is equal to A upon 2A. A is cancelled out, so cos 60 degree is equal to 1 upon 2, and tan B is equal to perpendicular upon base, that is equal to AD upon BD. Therefore, tan 60 degree is equal to root 3a upon a is cancel out, so we have tan 60 degrees equal to root 3. And cosec 60 degree is equal to, this is the reciprocal of sine, so 1 upon sine 60 degree, and 1 upon sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Therefore cosec 60 degree is equal to 2 upon root 3. And sec 60 degree is equal to 1 upon cos 60 degree, which is equal to 1 upon 2. Therefore sec 60 degree is equal to 2. And cot 60 degree is equal to 1 upon tan 60 degree. Now putting the value of tan 60 degree, therefore 1 upon root 3. Therefore cot 60 degree is equal to 1 upon root 3. Therefore sin 60 degree is equal to root 3 by 2. Cos 60 degree is equal to 1 upon 2. Tan 60 degree is equal to root 3. And cosec 60 degree is equal to 2 upon root 3. Sec 60 degree is equal to 2, and finally cot 60 degree is equal to 1 upon root 3. So these are the value of 60 degree. For 30 degree, in triangle ABD, angle A is 30 degree. In this case, AD would be the base and side BD is a perpendicular. Therefore, sin 30 degree is equal to BD upon AB, that is equal to A upon 2A. A is cancel out, so we have sin 30 degree is equal to 1 upon 2. And similarly cos 30 degree and cos 30 degree is equal to AD upon AB. Therefore, cos 30 degree is equal to, putting the value of AD and AB AD is root 3a upon 2a. A is cancelled out. So we have cos 30 degree is equal to root 3 by 2. A upon root 3a. A is cancelled out. So we have tan 30 degree is equal to 1 upon root 3. And cosec 30 degree is equal to 1 upon sin 30 degree. Is equal to 1 upon 2. So we have cosec 30 degree is equal to 2. Sec 30 degree is equal to 1 upon cos 30 degree. Therefore, 1 upon root 3 by 2, that is equal to sec 30 degree is equal to 2 upon root 3. And cot 30 degree is equal to 1 upon tan 30 degree. And tan 30 degree is 1 upon root 3. So we have 1 upon root 3. Therefore, cot 30 degree is equal to root 3. So we have sin 30 degree is equal to 1 upon 2. Cos 30 degree is equal to root 3 by 2. Tan 30 degree is equal to 1 upon root 3. Cosec 30 degree is equal to reciprocal of sin 30, that is 2. Sec 30 degree is equal to the reciprocal of cos 30, that is equal to root 3 by 2, 2 by root 3. And cot 30 degree is equal to reciprocal of tan 30, that is equal to root 3. Trigonometric ratio of 0 degree and 90 degree. Let us see what's happened to the trigonometric ratio of angle A if it's made smaller and smaller in the right angle triangle ABC till it's become 0. As the angle A gets smaller and smaller, the length of the side BC decreases. The point C gets closer to the point B, and finally when angle A become very close to 0, AC become almost the same as AB. When angle A is very close to 0, BC gets very close to 0, and so the value of sine A is equal to BC upon AC is very close to 0. Also, when angle A is very close to 0, AC is nearly the same as AB, and so the value of cos A is equal to AB upon AC is very close to 1. Therefore, the tan 0 is equal to sin 0 upon cos 0. Sin 0 is 0 and the cos 0 is 1. So, this is equal to 0 upon 1. Therefore, the tan 0 degree is equal to 0. In the cosec 0 degree is equal to 1 upon sin 0 degree. Sin 0 degree is 0. Therefore, this is equal to 1 upon 0, which is undefined. Therefore, cosec 0 is equal to undefined. And sec 0 degree is equal to 1 upon cos 0 degree. Cos 0 degree is 1, therefore this is equal to 1 upon 1. So sec 0 degree is equal to 1. Cot 0 degree is equal to 1 upon tan 0 degree. So tan 0 degree is 0, therefore this is equal to 1 upon 0. Therefore the cot 0 is equal to 1 upon 0, which is undefined. Therefore we have sin 0 degree is equal to 0, cos 0 degree is equal to 1, tan 0 degree is equal to 0, and the cosec 0 degree is equal to the reciprocal of sin 0, that is equal to 1 upon 0, that is undefined. Sec 0 degree is equal to the reciprocal of cos 0, that is equal to 1. Cot 0 degree is equal to the reciprocal of tan 0, that is equal to undefined. So these are the value of the 0 degree. When angle A is made larger and the larger in triangle ABC till it becomes 90 degree. When angle A is equal to the 90 degree, angle CB is equal to the 0 and the side AC is equal to the side BC. Therefore the sin 90 is equal to 1 and cos 90 is equal to 0. Therefore tan 90 is equal to sin 90 upon cos 90 is equal to 1 upon 0. And 1 upon 0 is not defined. So tan 90 is equal to not defined. And the cosec 90 is equal to 1 upon sin 90. And sin 90 is 1. Therefore cosec 90 is equal to 1 upon 1. That is equal to 1. Therefore the cosec 90 is equal to 1. And sec 90 is equal to 1 upon cos 90. And cos 90 is equal to 0. Therefore 1 upon 0 is not defined. Therefore the sec 90 degree is equal to undefined. And cot 90 degree is equal to 1 upon tan 90. And tan 90 is not defined, which is written as infinity. So 1 upon infinity is equal to 0. Therefore cot 90 is equal to 0. Therefore sin 90 degree is equal to 1, cos 90 degree is equal to 0, tan 90 degree is equal to infinity. It is also said it is not defined. Cosec 90 degree is equal to 1, sec 90 degree is equal to infinity, and cot 90 degree is equal to 0. Now you can generate table of trigonometric ratio of various angle without memorize. First you write the number 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then divide each number by 4. And take square root of each fraction. So we get 0, 1 upon 2, 1 upon root 2 and root 3 by 2 This is actual root 3 by 2 and the 1. These are actual the values of the angle 0, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree of the sine A. Therefore, sine 0 is 0, sine 30 is 1 by 2, sine 45 is 1 by root 2, sine 60 is root 3 by 2, sine 90 is 1. And for the value of cos A, we write the reverse of this value of sine A. So write 1 root 3 by 2, 1 upon root 2, 1 upon 2 and 0. For the value of tan A, we divide sine and the cos A. So we get 0, 1 upon root 3, 1, root 3 and infinity. For the value of cosec A, we write the reciprocal of the value of sine A. So we get to infinity 2 root 2, 2 upon root 3 and 1. And for the sec A, we write the reciprocal value of cos A. So we get 1, 2 upon root 3, root 2, 2 and infinity. And for cot A, we write the reciprocal value of tan A. So we get to infinity root 3, 1, 1 upon root 3 and 0. So you can generate easily this table.